Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of News Bulletin. In the headlines today, we shall add value to every activity, fight the formidable challenge of corona and take RSP to greater heights, exhorts CO2 Rourkela Steel Plant Collective. And Cell RSP distributes personal hygienic product to CSF Jawan. Now the news in details. We shall add value to every activity, fight the formidable challenge of corona and take RSP to greater heights, exhorted Mr. Deepak Chhatraj, CEO, while addressing a cross-section of executive of Cell Rourkela Steel Plant using cloud-based video conferencing service on 6th May. The executive connected to the conference through their computer or mobile phone from their work spots as well as homes. Mr. Chhatraj elaborated about the massive measures being taken by Rourkela Steel Plant to prevent the coronavirus and preparedness of the plant to fight any exigency. By now, all of us have understood that coronavirus will be part of our lives for some time. The virus has changed and will further change the personal, professional and social aspects of our life and living. Although organization will continue to do its bit, it is the responsibility of every individual to ensure health and safety of oneself as well as her family, he said. The CEO also illustrated in details about the various achievements of the steel plant in terms of production and techno-economics in the last financial year. Touching upon the current condition, he said that production has been reduced to about 50% because of the COVID-19 hazard, and the cash flow has been badly impacted. Many public sector as well as private sector companies have either deferred the salary payment of employees or gone for huge cuts in the salary and other perks. However, we work in a great organization like Cell that ensured that in spite of the severe financial crunch, the employees get the salary on time and thereby ensure their holistic well-being. We have to commit ourselves to give back to the company which has stood by us in the toughest of times, said Mr. Chhatraj. The CEO thanked various departments that have gone beyond their normal framework of responsibilities and extend remarkable service to strengthen the fight of RSP against COVID-19. Delving on the future challenges RSP has to face in the post-lockdown period, the CEO advised the executive to plan and prepare to restore normalcy as soon as possible. Revenue generation will be a key thrust area and every employee should look for avenues towards this end, states Mr. Chhatraj. Every calamity leaves a dent on the lives of individuals as well as organizations. Rourkela Steel Plant has weathered many a storm and come out victorious in the past. This time too, I am confident that with the initiative, commitment and dedication of our employees, we should emerge as a strong entity, he emphasized. As an appreciation of the relentless service being rendered by the CSF personnel deployed in Cell Rourkela Steel Plant during the trying times because of coronavirus, RSP presented hampers containing personal masks, soap and fruit juice packet to the Jawans on the 5th May. The program was organized in the CSF Barak, adhering to the social distancing and other preventive measures pertaining to COVID-19. Mr. Ajay Kumar Naik, CGM Town Administration, was present on the occasion along with Mr. M.V. Aparao, GM in charge CSR, and Mr. Sabir Khan, inspector CISF and other executives and employees of CSR and CISF. Around 800 hampers were distributed on the occasion. It is worth mentioning here that the CISF personnel have been steadfast in extending all-out support to ensure the adherence of the workplace advisory in the steel plant. Besides, they are sincerely carrying out their duties in spite of the vulnerability associated with their jobs, like the exposure to large number of persons, be it employees, contract workers or other stakeholder on day-to-day basis. With this, we come to end of this news bulletin. Namaskar.